kids. Good morning.
My miss.
How are you today?
I
Okay. Okay. Abudi, what are you doing here?
eating
Okay. And then, do you know what is name of this food?
French fries and
Right.
five fish.
Okay. Good. How about this?
Uh, fa- waffle and ice cream.
Okay. How about this?
Fruit
Fruit salad. Okay. How about this?
orange juice.
Okay. Do you like orange juice?
Yes.
Okay. How was the taste?
Sweet.
Sweet? Ah, okay. Okay. Do you want to join the next table manner again?
Yeah.
Okay. How many stars will you give?
5 star.
Thank you very much, Abudi.
If what I miss.
High five. Good job.